channel and welcome to today's video. In this channel we talk about beauty, we talk about lifestyle, we also share tips and how to stay healthy, and we also sometimes do live shows in which we take question and answers. Now when it comes on to using natural products on my skin, I tend to go towards facial oils. Now I like to use anti-aging facial oils on my skin. Those are facial oils that are high in vitamin A and also vitamin E with a bit of a vitamin C. Now there's one special oil that I would like to share with you today, and this is the Marula Oil. Now personally for me, one of the main reasons for using the Marula Oil is because of its anti-aging properties. Marula Oil will help to smooth the wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. It will help to boost the circulation in the skin, and once used on a regular, it will have your skin looking younger, fresher, radiant with a natural glow. Now this is not a sponsored video, guys. This video is all about me sharing the many benefits of the Marula Oil with you, since I personally use it on my skin and I've been seeing great results. Now Marula oil is derived from the African Marula tree, and it is either taken from the nuts of the Marula tree or the kernel of the Marula nuts. So this is how they came up with this amazing oil for the skin. Now the reason people talk about the Marula oil is because it is good for not only your face, your neck, your décolleté, but it is also good for your hair and the rest of your body. It is also great to use on your nails and on your chapped lips. So this is what makes this an amazing oil to use in your everyday skincare routine. Now when it comes on to the oil, guys, a little goes a long way. So I'm going to show you 3 ways in which you can use the Marula oil on your skin for best results. The first way to use the Marula oil on your skin is to take just a little bit, just 1, 2, 3 drops of the Marula oil. All you need is just 3 drops, and this you're going to use directly on your skin as a facial oil. So you can just slowly apply it on your skin in upward strokes and focus on areas where you tend to have wrinkles and fine lines. So just apply the oil all over your skin. If you have forehead wrinkles, just massage it on the skin. And don't forget your laugh lines. Just apply it on your laugh line. Press it in your skin, and that's it. While you're at it, don't forget that you can take this down on your neck and your décolleté. So that is just one way of using the Marula oil, and you can use this on your skin AM and PM. How could I forget my chapped lips? Really good for the chapped lips. So now, guys, the next way you can use the Marula oil is to use it as a dark circle remover. Now to use this as a dark circle remover, I like to add it other ingredient to it. Now take a look at this. Let us prepare the remedy with the Marula oil for removing dark under eye circles. Now to make our dark circle remedy using the Marula oil, I'm going to be using some aloe vera gel. You can choose to use either fresh aloe vera gel or store-bought aloe vera gel. I'm using a tablespoon of the aloe vera gel, pouring this in my bowl, and then I'm going to give it a little mix. And now we are going to reach for our next ingredient, which is the Marula oil. Now I'm using about a half of a teaspoon of the Marula oil. This is about 5 to 6 drops or so, and we're pouring this in with the aloe vera gel. Now Marula oil will have to get rid of dark circles, but it is also good to get rid of the wrinkles and fine lines under the eyes. And now I'm going to mix the 2 ingredients together, and I'm going to mix well. So completely dissolve the Marula oil in the aloe vera gel. Now take a look. This is the consistency that you could have. Now what you need to do is to store this in a small jar or a small container, and you don't need to store this in the refrigerator. However, if you use fresh aloe vera gel, store it in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. Now here it is, guys, and what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna dip in, and I'm just gonna take a little, and I like to just warm it in my hands like this, and then I'm gonna press it under my eyes just like that. And this is best used at night, guys. So just apply the Marula oil mixture under your eyes. Use this every night, guys, and you will notice that you get rid of not only the wrinkles and fine lines, but that crease below your under eyes. And that's the second way of using the Marula oils on your skin. Now the third way to use the marula on your skin is to add it to your favorite moisturizer or even your favorite serum. What you need to do is to take the amount that you normally use on your skin, and you're going to reach for your marula oil, and you're going to add 1 to 2 drops to your moisturizer or serum. Then you're going to just rub it on your skin just the way you normally apply your moisturizer to the skin. Now once this is done, that's all you need to do, guys. So there you have it, guys. That's 3 ways in which you can use the marula oil on your skin. You can use it directly on the skin, or you can use it as a dot on the eye circle remover, or you can add it to your favorite skincare products. Now guys, give this marula oil a go. It is really good and it's really hydrating. Another thing that I didn't mention is that it does not leave the skin greasy at all. It seeps deep into that epidermis, plump the skin up, boosts the collagen production, and leave your skin looking just fresh and younger. And there you have it, guys. Just 3 ways that you can use the marula oil on your skin. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. And if this was the first time, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed.